Hey guys, today we are going to see how you can make your WordPress website multilingual. Let's say you have a website and you want to give your visitors an option to view your site in their preferred languages. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you'll be able to add a translate option on your website. And when someone will click on it, they will be able to choose the language and your site will be translated into their preferred languages. Okay, let's get started. First, let's see the website which I built using WordPress. Here it is. Now to make your WordPress website multilingual, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to install the G-Translate plugin in WordPress. So go to your WordPress and bring your cursor to this sidebar on plugins option and now click on add new. Here search for a plugin called G-Translator and then click enter. Now this is the plugin which helps us to translate our website into multiple languages. Click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate. Now we have successfully installed the G-Translate plugin in WordPress. Okay, so once you have installed the plugin, we can go to the second step, which is to add the translate option to your website. Once you add this option, your visitors will be able to choose and view the site in their preferred languages. So to add the translate option, first of all, I'll search here for G-Translate. So here it is. Then click on settings and here select the language in which you want your visitors to visit your website. So I'm going to select the languages. Okay, now once you have selected the languages, now you need to choose where you want to display the language options. As you can see here, it is written show in menu. You can add it to primary, secondary, mobile and footer. I'll select primary and then click save changes. Okay, so the changes have been saved. Now if a visitor clicks on the option and select a language, and now he will able to see your website has been translated to a particular language. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.